How to customize Shopify store on phone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can customize your Shopify store on phone in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to your Safari, and here we're going to go to shopify.com. Okay, really simple steps. Now once you're over here, from here you're going to actually go into login, where you are going to make sure that your account is fully accessible. If you don't have an account, you can simply go and start free trial. Just create an account for yourself, pretty easy. You can also get the Shopify app, by the way, if you want to. You can go through the App Store to do that, but I don't really prefer it. I much more prefer the actual browser version. It just works better for me, in my opinion. Plus, my iPhone is a bit outdated, so I would prefer this. So once you're over here, simply click on this top left section, go to your sales channel, and go to online store. And once you're here, you're going to wait for things to load up. And once the things have loaded up, from there, what you are going to be doing is you are going to click on customize. And once you click on customize, from there on out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to get into the editing. So down here, as you can see, it gives you the sections to edit. You can add sections, add different templates. So let's say if I want to add a section of an image banner, I can add it like that. Click on add, and there you go. That adds a section of an image banner right there. So if you want to add an image into the image banner, you're going to click on it, and just write your own text. So let's say I'm gonna write hey. Yeah, let's just write hey. And once you write hey, I'm gonna go ahead and save it real quick. And once you save it, as you can see, the changes are saved. We're gonna bring it down. Okay, and I'm gonna come down here. Look at that, image banner text changed. So that is basically how you're gonna be editing and customizing a theme on Shopify through your phone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.